Today, I'm very happy to announce for launch of Ayurveda Spiritual Health Center, Holy Cow Ayurveda Health Village. According to Vedas, where there are cows, they spread positive, healing, nourishing atmosphere. Because of presence of pure Indian breed cows there, we gave the name to this place as Holy Cow Ayurveda Health Village. This place is just in the center of India. This is near to the Pench Tiger Reserve, which is spread in between Maharashtra and Madhya Pradesh. This place comes under the town of Ramtek, where the Rama took some rest while in exile. A fortress-like temple is also there in the Ramtek. Our place is just 45 km from Nagpur airport. The seed of the project was already sowed in 2007 when Maharshi called me and told me to continue with the concept of consciousness-based healing. That means the Ayurveda treatment and Ayurvedic therapies with more spiritual touch. This place is going to provide all the three aspects, the fundamental approaches of Ayurveda. That means Adhidevic, Adhyatmic and Adhibhautik. Means spiritual, divine and physical treatments. This place will not only provide detoxification therapies and rejuvenative therapies, but also one can go through emotional release and also go through the Prayashchitta as per the Vedic concept. I staunchly believe in Charaka's quote that Jnana Buddhi Pradipena Aturasya Antaratmanam Yo na Pravishati Tattvavid Sa na Rogansh Chikissati. That means with the knowledge and experience, if a Vaidya is unable to touch the soul of a person, he is unable to treat that person. But to realize this concept, we needed time. So, we have decided to offer only 200 membership for 5 years so that we can give sufficient time to each person to understand their problems, to understand their physiology, so we can consult them and understand what is their desire from this membership. The other details are given on the website and one can book a meeting with me online. But yes, we would like to provide some weeks of Panchkarma treatment and their stay at our place, especially some Purushas and Mother Divine who spent their whole life by spreading the message of the movement. This will be my tribute to Maharshi Ji. We are also going to start Ayurveda Aroma Academy for the aroma students to learn more of Ayurvedic concepts and Ayurvedic concept-based application, clinical application of essential oils. And they can learn much more in details what they have learned till now. We are going to celebrate various Vedic festivals, whether it's a colorful Holi or it's a celebration of light in the form of Deepavali festival or many other festivals like tying knots to the trees. That is also a special festival, and other festival which has a very much significance for human and humanity and also the environment and in the whole of universe. I am thankful to Mr. Majid from Lebanon, Malte Hoszel, Dr. Karin Pirk, Lothar Pirk to guide me, inspire me and bless me for my mission. I am also thankful to Ulrike Zinsmeister from Lübeck, Germany, Barbara Maria Gibizer from Austria, Kirsten Reubke from Badems for their unconditional support to me and this project. The details of membership is given below here on this website. One can go through this all details and can contact me and mail me so that those who are interested, we can make an appointment for 15 minutes free of cost to understand the project and the membership and the concept. At this place, we are going to provide various kinds of treatments. Out of them, of course, the Panchkarma treatment, the detoxification treatment with extended form will be provided. Apart from that, we are going to provide the aromatherapy, holy bath therapy, holy cow therapy. We are also going to provide the yajna therapy for wellness and for illness. we are going to create and develop organic horticulture, organic and Vedic agriculture. Apart from that, visiting nearby places like Narmada River visit, Ram Temple visit, Jungle Safari, a little bit of this is also the part of this program. Our team and our staff will take care of you as our family member. We will try to serve you with the bottom of our heart. Our aim is to start the project and our services by November 2022, but it may take a couple of months more. I heartily invite you to participate, support and bless the project. We, our team, will take care of you as a family member. So I invite you with the Shanti Mantra. Om Sahanam Bhavatu Sahano Bhunaktu Sah Viryam Karvavahi Tejasvinam Adhitamastu Ma Vidvishavahi. So let's come together, let's nourish together, let's heal together, let's be radiant together, and let the poison and toxicity not to affect our body and mind ever. With this prayer, I would like that you come and we create this project. Each of you as a member, not only as a member, but you become a founding member of this project. Jai Gurudev, Jai Maharshi Ji.